Hello, we're going to read a story today called Rain. What is rain? Rain is water that falls from clouds. It helps plants grow. It makes puddles. Water. Rain brings water to living things. Rain fills lakes where fish live. Plants use water in the ground. The water cycle. Rain starts as water on the ground. Water in lakes and oceans evaporates. Water vapors rises into the sky. In the air, water vapor cools. It turns into liquid droplets. This is called condensation. Droplets stick to tiny particles in the air. Then clouds form. Droplets in the clouds grow and become heavier than air. Rain falls. This process is called precipitation. Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation are the water cycle's three parts. Water evaporates, makes clouds, then falls to the ground. This pattern happens again and again. Floods and droughts. When too much rain falls, water covers places it normally doesn't. This is called a flood. Flood damage roads, crops, and buildings. So in this picture, they can't use that road because there's water right here. And you don't want to drive your car inside water. Droughts happen when too little rain falls. Rivers and lakes dry up. Soil becomes hard. Plants and animals die without water. So water is good to help plants and animals survive. Too much or too little rain can hurt living things. Animals, people, and plants need just enough rain. And that's the end. I hope you learned a little bit about rain today and the water cycle. Have a good day, friends, and we'll talk more about this all week long because we're learning about weather. Bye-bye.